How's it going, everybody? So, just got a phone call. The brand new engine for the Noble's being delivered here in about 10 minutes. So, that's exciting. We've been dealing with this Noble engine now for a few months, like 4 months. And they just shipped it from back east. So brand new motor. So, pretty excited. Noble should be back on the road here. Isaac from Washington's Garage was saying he needed about a week after getting the motor. And we're picking it up today. Let's go. Well, we're heading over to Washington to drop the engine off for the Noble. Got it behind me. Figured we'd take the Cord for a drive.